Abusua Samuel Kwaba yenhwe nsem ekoso agodie mu na no pensam na ebebrela de se fata sauti ni ekete wese enye do rebia study more gel and roll on na de sia konkon de nsam na de bro pin ni be kwa study more gel and roll on oneexpert.com betting companies nabu papa na oneexpert.com eno edanchen a na chese gfas mesa so gire mu enye is gfas o se papa pa man me ma mu gira mo nice one gfas mesa ma ku na de sia konkon de nsam na de bro na kwaye my fear day na chese watching me dan na kwasi da so Adom TV 9 lessons and carol he gina mu den on National Theatre eto nsan kan ticket ya bra pa ho gim nipa nsare emre ni na e betuma hia na ya hwe bom ni age ani ni ade ade abrebia de bibi foforo ba ta feed ye ne so ye promises be better and bigger ade anu ne sane nsam no so esiete Adom TV 9 lessons and carol Sergio Mano Chobana pari botwem producers na no pay Kejuana Kasani Erica Sirubori, Miasha Semfan for the FIFA World Cup final on Kwasida, and Yasam Ketuakra, Sana Kwasida, Babasona third place, about Soma Medano, Tiaberes and Besiaco. Kwasida game when won Argentina, on France Nepo, now we Yamu Argentina for so, and when some Kakra na Eres and Argentina, it's me Boremo, our final. Argentina for Kwamo Faso Bakakra, no one. You could be me France for so ready almost so fast so on be pimo finally so omo no hare boni kwasieda anya sam keto akran de channel so afame sa match mu bed by France and Argentina the final and Morocco ni Croatia be pem so na me da so na just no sene sam so esiete ade bro ne no pay channel so oneexpert.com akachena sa match see na betima disika e de go botomo e wi de last hour do last hour mienko oneexpert.com now yenko na yeka World Cup on semono yemomfamu wo the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana amfa group stage ni mu na just amfin na ebuka mu ni ade ana George Boateng assistant coach of the Black Stars so waka bibia boma dwere mu a kire de course pa e wo akansiri mo yantimi anko enim.
I think the news I'm getting and the feeling I'm getting, the feedback I'm getting, or we are getting as a team, is that overall everybody back home and the fans that came here, they feel that the team really gave their all. In every game, we never died. In the game against Portugal, we kept going, and we ended up losing 3-2. In the game against South Korea, we kept going. And even though people were very disappointed, and including us, and the players were disappointed in the game against Uruguay, if you look at the way we finished the game, we finished it really strong. So I believe that the public and everyone, every fan that came out here and those back home, I do believe that they feel that they have a satisfying feeling of the tournament, and that they have also seen that we have some good, outstanding, young, talented players that needs to be molded. And hopefully in the future, we have a very good team that can play to try and win trophies at international level.
Right, George Boateng, and how didn't summer to Gasano, G-Fast Meshak, and one of Pena. It is some ready, bro, when I call the Black Galaxies of Ghana. I know, I find a local Black Stars in the Sunny Dean, a more second Biasono. Chan tournament of a pass or Algeria, I feel BC will meet Marco Point Mounts, senior Koswa, a more pram sabre, coach and a walk on head coach. And my team in some credit to be actually there. A Kosopa, I welcome.
My scoring was also finding difficult in scoring. Unlike when I get the Division 1s and Division 2s, I scored them 7, 3, 4. But this match I've seen that my goal scoring is difficult. We have to work on that.
Right, coach Anna Walker. Say Anna Walker. Now chemu say go nation ide kakra. Ambo friendly games no. Who say ho akwa train to be ho adwuma sana. Amo akwa kopie mo so. Study more gel and roll on pin be kwa study more. Na assistant coach Kobe Mensa. Kobe so and some kakra chemu ba say Galaxies dey mo problems but what na say dey hu. Are ba ko be Badwam Ghana football team akoyie pa ni.
For a player to wear the Ghana jersey to have that sense of there. Or a source of pride for me and my family and even my friends. You don't go there and you are being arrogant. You are going there, being selfless to work and make sure that the country, actual country, or your concepts and all your concepts, it become mentality. It become mentality. It become way of life or way of play. And these things, your department like U15, both male and female, we need to start from there. players, youth players don't have to go to class for a teacher to teach them all these things. Only on the field. There's a lot we can talk about it in this sense. I mean, use Morocco. Structure in football. We have a lot of talent, but there are certain things that is beyond talent. There's certain things that is beyond talent. On your talent, and go to good, a big player like Ronaldo and Messi. No, there's other mentality that the young players, most of them, but now on your own fault. Education, you don't start from the start. You can start from somewhere. It's always better late than never. We should start. Enjoy that kind of tournament. League. We should build a team. We should work on it and make sure that we get always better results for them.
Right, Bismarck Kobe Mensa na wode na twenche fa de bebo magara ya ko tournament bit ma gige ne ma ba fi no wode ya tudwa eso ho no mo share so mame say oneexpert.com na so ba bet yes so bet here Sedimo gel and roll on na e pain na dru Sedimo gel and roll on amoke one open here some na there by Sanso na Jifas Mesha so ye sponsors and pay omo kan wa there some na buy man me ma dry ma mo ginam eso ye sipita badwuma Jifas Mesha yes yeah we be gina so there sia no pay kai share so say kwasi da ye na ye share wa National Theatre yes and yeah 9s lessons and carols Adom TV na dia ba pacho de papa na Adom TV de no de gina so Adom TV de koyi Adom TV de me share wa National Theatre I want you to take it here pacho badwum mu abenya bi ye okokom nemle obi so bia Adom TV am becho obi so bia Dwe FM becho obi so bia Adom FM becho obi so bia Sempe FM becho ahanti na me share bejo take it aha eno ne sane sam no so esi etie seje mano choba na pare bo tweme producers Kejwana Kasa ni Erika Siri Bwari koso hebedwam yenwe kra